In this video, I'll show you how to add background to Facebook Messenger just like this. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is go to your Play Store and search for Wall Fancy. Make sure that you click on the right app. After that, click Install. Now open the app. Take note that this app is free, but you will encounter some ads, so just skip or close those ads. Tap on the X button to close the ads. Now in here you will see these wallpapers. Choose the wallpaper that you want to be the background of your messenger. Now click Apply. Ads may pop up again, so just wait and then close it. You can set this as a background to WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or your phone's home screen and lock screen. Now select Messenger. You can adjust the opacity by dragging this bar right here. Click Apply. Under Display on the top of Other Apps, click Allow. Scroll down and look for Wall Fancy. Turn on this toggle beside Wall Fancy. Go back again, then click this Go to Settings. Tap on Installed Apps, click on the first option, then turn on this toggle. Now go back to the app, then click Got It. You can now check your Messenger with its custom background. I suggest you turn on your device dark mode for a better view. The next time you change the background, you don't need to go through that long process again, but select a new background and then hit Apply. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.